Beneath the surface of our oceans lies a world filled with giants, mysterious, massive creatures that defy belief and stretch the limits of biology. From jellyfish with tentacles longer than skyscrapers are tall, to ancient fish armored like tanks, and deep sea hunters that glide silently through the abyss, these ocean dwellers are the true leviathans of the natural world. Some are rarely seen, hiding in the deep. Others glide through coastal waters, astonishing scientists and divers alike. This list takes you on a journey through the 15 real biggest sea monsters that actually exist, showcasing nature's most astonishing marine marvels, some peaceful, others powerful, and all uniquely adapted to survive in Earth's final frontier. Number 15. Japanese spider crab. The Japanese spider crab lives in deep waters off Japan and can span up to 12 feet with its legs, weighing over 40 pounds. Despite its scary look, it's a peaceful scavenger that feeds on dead sea creatures and plants. Its spiny body and orange shell help it hide on the ocean floor. These crabs can live up to 100 years, but face threats from overfishing and habitat loss. They're sometimes displayed in aquariums, impressing people with their size and strange appearance. Number 14. Bootlace worm. The bootlace worm is one of the longest animals on Earth, growing up to 180 feet, but staying less than an inch wide. Found along the coasts of northern Europe, it hides among rocks and seaweed using its dark, thin body. It moves by stretching and contracting and catches prey with a sticky proboscis. This worm also produces a strong toxin to paralyze small animals. Though rarely seen, storms sometimes wash it ashore, giving scientists a chance to study it and explore its possible medical uses. Number 13. North Pacific right whale. The North Pacific right whale is one of the rarest whales, with fewer than 50 believed to remain. These gentle giants grow up to 50 feet long and weigh 70 tons. They're known for their large heads, curved jaws, and white patches on dark skin. Despite their size, they feed on tiny copepods by filtering seawater through baleen plates. Once heavily hunted, they're now critically endangered. Conservationists work hard to protect them, and every sighting helps in the effort to prevent their extinction. Number 12. Russell's Orfish. Russell's Orfish is a deep-sea fish known for its long, ribbon-like body that can reach up to 26 feet. Found in waters off Japan and California, it lives deep below the surface, between 650 and 3,000 feet. Its shimmering silver-blue skin and bright red fins make it look like a mythical sea serpent. Despite its size, it feeds gently on plankton and small creatures by drifting and filtering water. Rarely seen, it occasionally surfaces after storms, offering a rare look at this mysterious and elegant fish. Number 11. Giant cuttlefish. The giant cuttlefish, native to southern Australia, is the world's largest cuttlefish species. It can grow over 3 feet long and weighs more than 22 pounds. Known for changing colors using special skin cells, it uses this skill for camouflage and mating displays. Each winter, thousands gather near Waiala for a massive breeding event where males flash bright colors to impress females. Though fascinating, this species faces threats from pollution and fishing. Conservation zones now help protect their unique life cycle and stunning displays. Number 10. Sei whale. The sei whale is one of the largest and fastest baleen whales, reaching up to 60 feet and nearly 100,000 pounds. Found in deep ocean waters, it can swim up to 34 miles per hour. It feeds on tiny creatures like krill and copepods, filtering huge amounts of water through its baleen plates. Hunted heavily in the past, the species is now endangered, with around 50,000 left. Despite reduced whaling, they still need strong protection to survive in today's changing oceans. Number 9. Priadubia, giant Sophonophore. The giant Sophonophore, or Priadubia, is one of the ocean's longest creatures, stretching up to 130 feet longer than a blue whale. Found deep in oceans worldwide, it lives thousands of feet below the surface. Uniquely, it's not a single organism but a colony of tiny units called zooids that function together as one being, each with a role like movement or feeding. Using bioluminescence and stinging cells, it captures prey like plankton. Due to its fragile structure and deep habitat, it's rarely seen, making it a mysterious wonder of the deep sea. Number 8. Lion's mane jellyfish. The lion's mane jellyfish is one of the largest jellyfish in the world, with tentacles reaching up to 120 feet. Its reddish-orange bell can span over 7 feet and resembles a lion's mane, hence the name. Found in cold northern waters, this jellyfish uses stinging tentacles to paralyze fish and other small creatures. Though huge, it poses little threat to humans. Often seen near the surface or washed ashore, it helps scientists study jellyfish populations and their relationship with changing ocean environments. Number 7. Reef Manta Ray. With a wingspan of up to 18 feet, the Reef Manta Ray is a gentle giant of tropical waters. Commonly seen around coral reefs, it glides gracefully through the sea, feeding on plankton using its wide, open mouth. Each manta has unique belly, markings used for identification. These rays often visit cleaning stations where small fish remove parasites. Though peaceful, reef mantas face danger from fishing nets and habitat loss. They are now protected in many regions, as conservationists work to secure their future and maintain healthy marine ecosystems. Number 6. Cougar, giant sturgeon. The cougar, or giant sturgeon, dominates Russia's Amur River and is among the largest freshwater fish, growing up to 18 feet long and weighing over 2,000 pounds. This ancient fish has a long lifespan and a body armored with tough plates. Feeding on other large fish like salmon, it's a top predator in its habitat. While not dangerous to humans, it is endangered due to overfishing for its valuable caviar. Because it grows and reproduces slowly, conservation efforts are vital, focusing on protecting its rivers and boosting its population through breeding programs. Number 5. Sharptail Mola. The Sharptail Mola is a huge, odd-looking bony fish that grows up to 11 feet long and weighs about 4,400 pounds. Known for its round body and unique tail fin called a clavus, it glides slowly using its long fins. Despite its size, it feeds mainly on jellyfish and squid. Often seen basking near the surface, it faces threats from fishing nets and pollution. Conservationists are studying this rare, gentle creature to help protect it and learn more about its ocean role. Number 4. Longcomb Sawfish. The Longcomb Sawfish is a prehistoric-looking fish reaching up to 23 feet and 1,100 pounds. Its blade-like snout, lined with teeth, is used to slash and catch fish. Once common in the Indo-Pacific, it's now critically endangered due to habitat loss and entanglement in fishing nets. Despite its fearsome look, it's a peaceful and solitary creature. Conservation efforts focus on protecting its habitat and raising awareness to prevent further decline. Number 3. Pacific sleeper shark. The Pacific sleeper shark is a giant deep-sea predator, growing up to 23 feet long and weighing over 1,900 pounds. Found between 650 and 6,500 feet deep, it moves slowly to conserve energy. Its diet includes squid, fish, seals, and whale remains. Though sluggish, it can burst into speed when needed. Special compounds in its body help it survive deep-sea pressure. Its gray color keeps it hidden in the dark, but scientists still know little about its mysterious life. Number 1. Baird's beaked whale. Baird's beaked whale lives deep in the northern Pacific and is rarely seen. Growing up to 42 feet long and weighing over 26,000 pounds, it's the largest of the beaked whales. These whales dive more than 3,000 feet to hunt squid and fish. With torpedo-shaped bodies and small dorsal fins, they're built for deep-sea travel. They often move in pods and use echolocation to navigate the dark depths. Though rarely spotted, they're threatened by sonar, fishing, and pollution. Scientists are still working to learn more and protect them.